Hi everyone, welcome to the next Ivy and the Inky Butterfly video. This one I think is a really cute flower. It looks kind of scruffy, which I really like, and I have picked already a colour, and I thought we would try the Delft blue. Now normally I'm just going to give it a sharpen. Delft blue is a sort of bluey purple. I'm not really 100% sure of what this is going to be like, so it'll be fun to have a go and see. So here it is again, our Delft blue. Now I feel that we need to go a little darker towards the centre and lighter towards the edge of each of these scruffy looking petals. I think they're really cute, and I just think there'll be more shadow in that centre area. And I'm doing this sort of long stroke, as quite often petals will have a line across the middle or across the petal, going from base to tip, and so it doesn't look unnatural, because that's how they often look. I haven't really thought about what I'm doing with the rest of the flower yet. Sometimes I just dive in and make no plans at all. Other times I plan the whole thing. But I find videos a great way of forcing me to get on with something. If there's a picture that I've been delaying and thinking about and not sure what to do with, I'll grab some pencils, press record, and I've got to think on the spot and do it. For some people that might be stressful, I guess, but for me it's just challenging and fun. And I know if it all goes horribly wrong, I could always abandon the whole thing. It doesn't though. I can't do that with this page though, because we're working through it. I guess I could buy a whole new book if one of the flowers went wrong, but no, it'll be fine. I have faith and more confidence, I guess, in my colouring now as I've been doing it for a long time. I want to really emphasise those dark centre bits. I'm just going to go back over each of them. Yeah, I've been colouring since 2013, so it is a long time, and most days I colour. I suspect, I haven't actually ever counted or kept a tally. I'm going to do these buds in this colour too, just because I think it's going to be more interesting than doing them in green. We've got a lot of green on this page. So I'm just going to make them darker at the bottom and lighter to the tip using just this one colour. Yeah, so I think, although I haven't formally counted how many days I've not coloured, I think I could count it on one hand. You know, every day, even if I'm really, really, really busy, which is rare these days, I try not to be busy. I'm one of those, I used to be busy, and now I'm just like, I don't want to be busy. So I'm not going to be. I'm not going to list a million jobs I have to do and be rushing around. It's not what I want to do. This, you know, I'm ready now in my life to just not slow down. That makes me sound like I'm getting really old, which I'm not. I want to mentally not feel so rushed and busy. But if I've got a lot going on, I'd still try and do 5 minutes. Just a little bit of time sitting. I have a place where I have colouring available, which is important, I think. My husband does this with his art. I'm just choosing my flower centre colour while I'm talking. I want lemon yellow in the middle. He has some colouring, some art, sorry, not colouring, available in lots of places. So wherever he is in the house, whether he's sitting at the kitchen table, sitting on the sofa at his desk, by the bed, he's got some there to do, so that he ensures that he does some each day, and that it really helps him. Now, I'm not going to go quite so dark. I was going to grab some dark colours. I've decided not to. I'm not going to go quite so dark on the stem as we have on the petals. I think that might help this to stand out a little more. So I'm going to go for the castle green first, and I may go lighter than this. My plan is to make this the darkest and then fade it down, leaving gaps for the next colour. And see if that's dark enough really. So yes, so if you can leave some colouring somewhere where you can easily get to it, then that will really help. I'm just sharpening, so you know, wherever it might be, a little bit by the bed before you get up or when you wake up, a little on by the sofa, castle green light to do during the ad breaks when you're watching your TV programmes, by your computer. I don't know, depends you know, on your life. I don't like having it at the kitchen table, that's not my thing. I'm always scared of spillages, so that's not something I do, but it's it all depends on you, and just a little bit, one flower, one petal, one leaf, anything, just a small amount can make such a big difference. I am going to leave that there. I'm really enjoying the simplicity of that. You know, it didn't take long. It's only using four pencils, but I just, you know, I'm really liking it just being as it is. If you want something a little bit more complex, get some blue Posca or white Posca, do some dots along the petals around it. That would make it interesting, but for me, I like it as it is. So I'm going to leave it. So thank you so much for watching. Come back tomorrow. We've still got 3 more on this page, and then we're on to our new World of Flowers project. I might reveal a bit more about it in tomorrow's video, you never know. Maybe, maybe not. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you have a lovely, lovely rest of your day, and happy colouring.